Let's do an activity, something special today.
Let's blow up this balloon without using our mouth.
Challenge accepted. First, let's pour lemon juice into the bottle. Done. Now I'm adding baking powder into the balloon.
Alright. Carefully fix the balloon onto the bottle's mouth.
Wow, it's bubbling and the balloon is blowing up.
That's carbon dioxide gas coming from this reaction.
Science is amazing. Our balloon is full of carbon dioxide gas. Chemistry can blow your mind and balloons too. Did you enjoy watching our balloon blowing experiment? Now it's your turn. Try this fun activity at your home. Thank you.